Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chawanne Burns and today's video is going to be about how to claim your stimulus check. So if you are one of those individuals that have not received the first, the second, or the third stimulus check, you want to stay through the entire video because I'm going to show you some key things that you might be missing because and that is going to determine whether or not you received the stimulus check, or it was a determination factor why you didn't receive the stimulus check. So let's get started. We want to go over to our computer and we want to type in irs.gov. On irs.gov, you see I'm already on the irs.gov website, but on that website, there should be several places or several different areas where you could click on. You want to click on the button that's called Get My Payment. Once you land on to Get My Payment, you want to scroll down and click Get My Payment again. Okay? So Get My Payment will take you to a landing page where that landing page is going to direct you to put in your personal information. That personal information does include your name, your date of birth, and your address and your zip code. Okay, so once you put that information in to Get My Payment, it will give you a status of your stimulus check. Okay, and it's either going to tell you three things. It's going to tell you your stimulus check has not been processed, your stimulus check has been processed, and it will give you a date, and or it will also say you are not eligible for a stimulus check. So there's some things that I want you to do. Okay, on Get My Payment, there is a spot. If you go back to the landing page, that Get My Payment landing page, there's a spot where you could register yourself as an individual with the IRS. And once you register yourself, you see I pointed, it's a clickable text under the IRS Get My Payment page. You want to put all your personal information in there. I don't go over this, but if you click on the icon, it's going to ask you a bunch of personal information, your street address, your telephone number, because they want to verify the information is you. You're going to put your email address. You're also going to put in your social security number, and it's also going to ask you some very personal information like your mortgage account number or debit. They can't verify debit cards, but they can verify credit card information. So it's going to give you 7 things that you need to put in, and you need one of those 7 things: mortgage account number, car note number, credit card number, several things that they ask you. But you're going to register. Once you register and verify your address, it's going to take you to another page, and that page is going to give you all your information, whether or not you filed your taxes, whether or not you also filed your taxes, or it's going to give you the amount of stimulus payment that you receive. Now, if you land on that page and they said you received a stimulus check, but you actually have not received a stimulus check, you need to contact the IRS. And if you go to Get My Payment status, there is information, a 1-800 number you can contact. Also, on this is a portal about yourself with the IRS. So also you can also pull up if you owe the IRS as well. So if you owe the IRS, more like you will not receive a stimulus check. Okay. I don't know about child support payments, but I know if you owe the IRS, sometimes they will deduct that from the amount that you owe from your stimulus. Common reasons why you might not receive your stimulus check: failing to file taxes. And if you wait until the end of the video, I am going to show you where and how you could file for free. And you don't have to be a tax accountant. There is a free service for certain individuals. Okay. So failing to file your tax returns, that will stop you from getting your economic impact payment, aka stimulus check. You need to file 2019 and 2020 returns for you to receive the first through the third stimulus check. And it's in talks now that we might get the fourth stimulus check. So file your returns, people. If you're not a non-filer, you still have to file your returns. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you what you need to do. Okay. Moving forward, moving without a forwarding address. Some of you might have got a debit card that was downloaded your stimulus check, but when the government sent it to you, you moved and you didn't have a forwarding address. So that's one of the reasons why you might have not received your stimulus check. The third reason, most common reason, someone is claiming you as a dependent. If they're claiming you as a dependent, mom or dad or whoever, legally or unlegally, you will not get the stimulus check. Those people that claim you as a dependent will get it. So in future, future going forward, you need to file your own taxes where no one else is claiming you as a dependent. Okay. The last thing that you might not have received the stimulus check is because you're not eligible, because you're like an undocumented immigrant or you're not a documented citizen. Okay. So you want to get that information taken care of. If you are undocumented, you need to get documented and you need an ITIN number. Saying that you are a documented immigrant. Okay. There's other reasons why you might not have received the stimulus check. And those other reasons may be you made too much money. But I'm assuming you didn't make too much money. And you are assuming that you should have received the stimulus check. So that's why you're watching this video. So that's why I didn't even mention that. So there's other reasons why you might have received the stimulus check, but those reasons is probably because of the income. Okay. So let me show you. You might say, Chawanne, I haven't filed my taxes because I don't file taxes. I don't make enough money to file taxes. You still need to file your taxes. We're going back to Get My Payment. On Get My Payment, there is a spot where it says file your taxes for free. Once you get to file your taxes for free, you need to, we already went through step 1. Locate your volunteer income tax accountant. Okay. These are individuals that volunteer for low income people. Okay. And you got to bring all the necessary documents. Once you bring all your necessary documents, and on this landing page, it's going to show you what documentations you need to bring. Click on Get My Payments for Free, and then, or file my taxes for free. And then it will take you to locate VITA, the volunteer tax preparer, and just type in your zip code. And you see, I typed in my zip code and it showed up unavailable because I put a 5-mile radius. But if I put a 50-mile radius, It has several local tax professionals. Now, one thing I do want to point out, you do need to make $57,000 or less, okay? You can't file your taxes for free using this services if you make more than $57,000, okay? So that is the end of our video. Hope this explains enough for you to receive your stimulus check. Please leave all your comments and questions in the comment section, and I will try to get back to you if you have some pretty good questions that I have not addressed in the video. All right, I am sending all my good to you, and I will talk to you soon.